What's up, guys? It's David from DUCKCHAR. Welcome to another episode of my favorite cooking show on all of YouTube, cooking stuff with duck fat. Huevos Rancheros. It's something I order all the time at restaurants, but it's something I've never made in the studio. And since we're going to be spending a lot more time at home these days, we wanted to come up with different ways that we could improve simple recipes. And one of our favorite ways to do that is with DUCKCHAR duck fat. Frying an egg with DUCKCHAR duck fat makes it so rich and delicious. Making Huevos Rancheros with duck fat makes this dish incredible. From start to finish, this entire recipe takes about 25 minutes, 5 minutes of prep, 20 minutes of cooking. We're gonna make it in one of these small cast iron saucepans and we'll just stack it. We'll start with duck fat at the bottom of the cast iron saucepan, then tortilla, egg, beans, cheese, pico de gallo, and then we'll layer it all the way through one more time. After we layer everything, we'll pop in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes, and that's it. As you guys can see, this recipe is super easy. If you want to find even easier or more difficult duck fat recipes, we've got links to all of them below. If you want to learn more about how to use duck fat, we've got links. If you want to buy duck fat, we've got links. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That's it. That's all. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. John, I'm not trying to be difficult, but my contract says that I don't have to make casseroles. I know, well, no, I loved it. But now I'm just thinking, am I gonna get in trouble for that? Well, yeah, I put it in there because I didn't want to have to make a casserole on this show. Yeah, I loved it. Not really, it's not a casserole. I mean, it's Huevos Rancheros, right? Yeah, that's what I said, so get over yourself.